everybody, welcome to training challenge number 1. So we'll start this off, see if we like doing this, and if it's something that you guys like, we'll just keep it going. So this drill that I came up with is just something that is designed to help you help you with technique, but also to help break a sweat. So it's got a little bit of a CrossFit feelish to it. If you guys have ever done that, you know what I'm talking about. But just remember, we do want to try to do this drill for time, so that, you know, if you're going to do this consecutively, like from day to day, you still want to make sure that you're not compromising your form, like on your swing and everything. So don't move so quickly when hitting off a tee that you compromise form. So basically the drill is going to go like this. You know, you're going to do 10 cuts off a tee, and then you do 10 push-ups, and 10 cuts off a tee and 10 push-ups. And you're going to do that 5 times, and then from there you're going to move over to a wall or a fence and do some swinging drill that I'm going to show you here in a minute, and with wind sprints. And we'll get to that in a minute. And it's just 2 rounds of that for time. And then and of course, if it'd be something that you can do tomorrow as well, like as we wait for the next video to get posted, see if you can beat your time. So okay, so like I said, this one is just simple hitting off a tee into a net. So you see I got my tee and my net set up over there. I got some wood holding my tee down. Of course, you know, if you don't have anybody to feed you the ball, like for me tonight, just get you a bucket of balls. I'm not going to do a full set. I'm just going to kind of show you what it looks like. So I'm just going to do 2, and then 2 push-ups, and then 2 hits, just to kind of give you an idea. So of course, I'm a big out of shape guy. So you know, this is not what it's supposed to look like for in shape people. But just so you guys get an idea and get the drift and kind of catch the drift of it. So, all right, so we'll just do this real quickly, and then we'll move over to the next drill, to the next part of the drill. So these 2 drills are supposed to be meant to go fast together. So you do this portion, and then you move over to the next one and do that portion, and you do that for a total of 2 times, and you time yourself in it to see if you can beat your time next time. Okay, so here we go. So basically, I'm just gonna do 2 cuts, like I said. You know, and like I said, don't compromise form. So pick the ball up, put it back on, and focus on your form and watch the ball. Okay. So of course, you'll do 5 of each of those, and then back to the tee again. You know, 2 more cuts. 5 more cuts, 5 push-ups, 5 times. And then from there, we'll move to the next drill, and that's coming up. Okay, so the second part of the drill, this actually is, what I'm about to show you is something you guys have probably all done. This is back in the day when we didn't have all the fancy equipment. We had to get creative. So probably hands down, I'd say this is probably one of the most helpful drills that I did in my time in baseball. It helped me with my swing and my form, and getting my hands out front, tucking my elbow in. So after you do your 5 cuts off a tee, 5 push-ups, 5 cuts off tee, 5 push-ups, 5 times, so that means you get 25 cuts, 25 push-ups. You'll move over to this drill, and we're gonna stick with 5s here, all right? So 5 swings. So what you do, and some of you guys have already done this, is take your bat up against the wall, put the bat up against your stomach, balance it, you know, so you got your distance here. Okay, now, and then grab your bat and stay there. When I'm working with the kids, what a lot of kids want to do is when they grab their bat, they feel like that's awfully close, so they step back a little bit. Just make sure you keep your feet planted right there, and that's your distance, right? And so the idea is to get your bat through without hitting the wall, right? And so for people that have longer swings and they're not getting their hands through as fast, right? They're breaking right here. The bat's gonna hit the wall. You're gonna need to damage the wall, probably the bat in this case. So the goal here is to come through, get the elbow down and in, push your hands through, and then get the bat through. And you should be able to swing as hard as you want on this when you get the drill down right, and not worry about hitting the wall. Because you actually, if you really think about it, if you look at it here, when I come through, I got plenty of room. I probably got at least 1.5 inches or 2 inches there to spare. So it's just working. Get your hands through. We're gonna do that 5 times, And then 5 wind sprints. I would have to turn my camera around and do the wind sprints. So on the wind sprints, you know, I'll do it. I'll do wind sprints. You guys get to see me run. All right, so balance here. You know, and this drill's gonna go quick. Get your hands through. Okay, you'll be able to swing as hard as you want. Get your hands through. You don't have to worry about hitting that wall. Don't compromise form. So don't move too quickly. You know, in practice, getting that hand through. Probably be even more helpful if you had a weighted bat, just to help build some strength in your arms. So to put a donut on your bat or something like that. Then of course, we'll kind of turn the camera around here. You know, just finding a good healthy distance, something that fits your style. For me, what I've been doing at home is just from the edge of my patio to the fence over there. It's far enough for me. In fact, doing 5 of those, down 1, down and back 1, 2, 3. That's going to be plenty for me. I'm already out of breath just from the 2 push-ups I did. So again, real quickly through, get over to your spot, and then start your wind sprint. And 2 rounds of that. 2 rounds of 5 cuts off a tee, 5 push-ups. That's 25 cuts, 25 push-ups. Move over, 5 swings, 5 wind sprints, 5 swings, 5 wind sprints, 5 times. 2 rounds of that. And if you're really pushing it, you're going to be tired, even if it only takes you like 10 or 15 minutes to do it. So that's drill number 1. Woo! Shouldn't have done that. You guys see how fast I was. But Riley, you're up. You got the next one, buddy. You guys make sure that you comment. Let us know if you're doing this. Tell us how fast you did it. Whatever we can do to make this fun. That's what this is about. So we can be together and have fun. You guys take care. Bye.